Hi, I'm Nick Bonner for treestuff.com, and these are the Edelrid Apollo Throw Weights. We don't make a lot of videos featuring throw weights for one simple reason, and that's because there's not a lot of innovation in the throw weight space. As part of Edelrid's commitment to environmental responsibility, however, they've converted their entire throw weight range over to be lead-free. These feature stainless steel shot inside of a double balloon to help the throw weight retain its shape at the same weight that you're used to seeing. In addition, you have a welded steel ring here, so the seam is welded, so it's not going to break under use. And at the bottom of the throw weight, you have the standard ribbon that you've come accustomed to that allows you to clip in a carabiner here and pull up a rope or do double bagging. Definitely check out these Edelrid Apollo throw weights if you're looking for a healthier and more environmentally conscious throw weight solution. Thanks for watching. Headache!